Have you ever wondered how to search logos for similarities? Today I'm going to attempt to describe that complex yet incredibly simple process. The USPTO maintains a design search code manual that is linked in the description below. There's a top-level table of categories that contains 29 categories. For example, Category 1 is for celestial bodies, natural phenomena, and geographical maps. Category 5 is for plants. Category 8 is for foodstuffs. Category 22 is for games, toys, and sporting articles. And Category 29 is the miscellaneous category for things such as marks that consist solely of color or inconspicuous designs functioning as punctuation or parts of letters. Each category then has subcategories. For example, Category 1 for celestial bodies has a subcategory for stars and comets, another for globes, and another for moons. Below each of these subcategories are sub-subcategories, for example, a single star with 4 points, stars with rays or radiating lines, stars with tails or comets, etc. The Design Search Code Manual also provides you with specific examples, such as here, the Energy Saver star under the A Single Star with 5-point sub-subcategory. There are also specific guidelines for examiners you might find helpful as well. For instance, stars can include asterisks and compass points. Also, stars and flags or shields are not coded in Category 1, but rather in other specific categories. After you file your trademark application for a logo, categories will be assigned to it. So it's a good idea to try to code your own logo so that you can perform an adequate search. Let's see how a couple famous logos are coded. Here's the Taco Bell logo. You think this might be a simple logo, but take a look. The categories are handbells with a single bell, incomplete ovals, oval shape, incomplete squares, squares with curved sides, and miscellaneous square shapes. I'm paraphrasing those categories. How about Starbucks? The logo has 2 stars, busts of women facing forward, mermaids, crowns, 2 concentric circles, etc. That's a pretty busy logo. How about one more example, the simple Nike swoosh. The design of that mark is coded as curved lines. You can search through the table of contents, but luckily you can also do a keyword search. So, if you search for hamburger, for example, you'll see the design codes for hamburger patties and hamburger sandwiches, as well as other potential categories, such as hot dog sandwiches, submarine, hero, or other sandwiches on an elongated roll, and other sandwiches including wraps. In our example, let's write down 08, 05, 01 for hamburger sandwiches. And let's try to be clever. Are there any logos with dogs in hamburgers? Let's type in dogs. We see the code for dogs is 03, 01, 08. So let's go to tests and search to see if there are any marks with both of those design codes, and voila! There are actually a handful of logos featuring both dogs and hamburgers. At the risk of oversimplifying this, for likelihood of confusion analysis, you should also be doing more, such as making searches with dogs displayed in silhouette or as shadows, and maybe other types of sandwiches as well. As we've discussed before, one of the many reasons you should hire legal counsel to help with your trademarks is so that your legal counsel can do these comprehensive searches. Coding, searching for logos, and trademarks are fun.